a quiet rain midnight. City whispers calling out your name. Heartbeats echo in the shadows flight. In this silence nothing feels the same. Whispers in the rain tell stories untold. Jagged edges of this tale unfold. Lovers' words in a world grown cold. Can we find warmth in this love? I'm a glass to words, my trembling heart, afraid of love when trust's a fragile art. City screams memories like perfect parts. Can I trust you not to break my heart? Streetlights flicker on desolate lanes. Ghosts of feelings dancing in the haze. Neon dreams fade like forgotten flames. Lonely nights burns you endless days. Whispers in the rain tell stories untold. Jagged edges of this tale unfold. Lovers' words in a world growing cold. Can we find warmth in this love? I'm a glass to words, my trembling heart, afraid of love when trust's a fragile art.